Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Axis Direct opening bell. My name is Akshay Chinchalkar, and today is Tuesday, 18th February. Let's start off with US markets, and they were closed yesterday for President's Day. However, S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures were up by about 0.2% this morning. Coming to the rupee, the currency weakened for the third time in 4 days, closing at 86.87. A higher than expected January trade deficit of $23 billion put pressure on the currency. Elsewhere, the Reserve Bank of India announced that it would double the size of bond purchases this week, helping to stabilize bond yields. Coming to domestic stocks, and the Nifty ended in the green after an initial slump, breaking an 8-day loss streak. The 22,700 to 22,800 zone proved to be a strong support area for the benchmark. In terms of key technical levels, support lies between 22,700 to 22,742, while resistance may be offered in the 23,047 to 23,236 area. Elsewhere, the India VIX rose for the sixth straight day, indicating higher market uncertainty. Coming to sectors, out of the 12 main NSE sectors, 8 rose and 4 fell. Pharma gained 1.3%, while media slipped the most, dropping 0.7%. Broader indexes like the NSE 500, mid-caps and small-caps all ended higher, showing bullish tendencies. Coming to foreign investments, and foreign investors withdrew over 3,900 crores yesterday. That puts the month-to-date outflow at over 33,000 crores. Rolling on with the derivatives, the Nifty's put-call ratio improved from 0.77 to 0.87, while the Bank Nifty's went from 0.68 to 0.75. More additions were seen in Nifty puts compared with calls, and volatility fell, signaling expectations of a rally. Weekly options expiring on 20th February show a trackable range of 22,800 to 23,300. Speaking participant positioning, foreigners were light bearish, retail investors were more aggressively bearish, while proprietary traders were firmly bullish. In terms of stock-specific updates, BSE and SRF were at horizontal support, while Bojo Paints, Fortis and Minda Corp were at trendline support. Pfizer and SKF India were at horizontal resistance, while Cipla and Sundaram Finance were at trendline resistance. Less than 10% of the NSE 500 members are above their 50 and 100-day averages, indicating that the current market decline may be overextended on the downside. Looking forward, the GIFT Nifty was flat. Asian markets were showing a mixed performance with no notable movements. Empire manufacturing data from the US is slated to be released today. That wraps up the day's podcast. Please note that this podcast serves solely for informational purposes and should not be considered financial advice of any kind. For a comprehensive disclaimer, please visit our website. Thank you, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.